Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the tools: a 32 GB or larger USB 3.0 drive and a clean Windows 10 ISO. Once done, download Rufus or a Windows to Go compatible tool. These write the image in a bootable format. Make sure to back up any files on the USB because the process reformats the drive. Also confirm the host PC supports USB boot in BIOS/UEFI so you can test afterwards. This step sets the foundation for a reliable portable Windows environment. Now you build the bootable USB. Open Rufus, pick the Windows 10 ISO and the USB drive, then choose partition scheme matching your target systems: GPT for UEFI, MBR for legacy BIOS. If Rufus offers Windows to Go, select it for a portable, persistent install rather than a one-time installer. Enable a full format to avoid leftover errors and let the tool write the image. This can take 10–30 minutes. Once Rufus finishes, safely eject and prepare to test the drive. To finish, boot your target PC from the USB using the boot menu or BIOS. You will go through the Windows setup just like a normal install, complete initial configuration, install drivers, and run Windows Update to ensure hardware compatibility. Once running, optimize by disabling unnecessary startup apps and installing chipset/USB drivers. If the system is slow or fails to boot, check BIOS USB settings. Try a different port or faster USB drive, or recreate the image.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.